Here's our sweet little girl, Leah. And Leah's from the L litter that came from the border of Mexico. Poor little starving puppies. Yeah. She says we're all the L litter and we're all loves. They're starting to gain some weight. They had worms. I mean, poor babies. They're such sweet little babies too. She looks like a little scruffy border terrier. Something. 4 months old, 5.2 pounds. And we don't know who the parents are, but they seem to be, all of them seem to be pretty dainty. Yeah. All we know is they're precious little terrier babies that are ready for their home. And we love them, yes. She says, I'm sitting up here with my necklace. She was one of the little shyer ones. Yeah. You gonna act shy? She said, but I'm super sweet. Yeah, I am. Okay, we're gonna get you in Lisa's lap. We'll see how cute you look, okay? All right. What do you think about that, Leah, with the big brown eyes? And the flying nun ears, yeah. Are you a cute little scruffer? You gonna give Lisa a kiss? Yeah. She's very curious and very cuddly. She probably just hasn't been handled a lot. But she says, I think I could get real used to being in somebody's lap. So I'm just a little terrier puppy. Yeah, just a little terrier with big brown eyes. Oh, she's so cute. Listen, you can't hold a good terrier down. They can act scared today and be wild in a week. Because we are the terriers. Right, baby girl? So this is Leah, 4 months old, 5.2 pounds, and she's gonna be ready for her own home. Right, girly girl? Say right. It's precious.